Hi, in front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and click I accept. Then you can customize your wallpaper however you need to, and when you're done, click at the top right corner. Now choose bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Then choose Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to apply it to home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!